Hey, Sweet Stick Sonny on the trail. We are in Washington, D.C. We are excited. This is going to be the quintessential urban hike. It's going to be a long day. I will see you on the trail. What you're looking at is the Arlington house. This was Robert E. Lee's home for over 30 years. It was built as a memorial to George Washington, and Robert E. Lee slept in Washington's bed until the house was confiscated during the Civil War. Check out that view of the Potomac River and Washington, D.C. Robert E. Lee will always be one of Virginia's favorite sons.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? I am Sergeant Mac.
What a sight and what an amazing day it's been. We just got off the trail. It was amazing. It was very emotional. We did over 9 miles and it was over 90 degrees today. The old guy is worn out, but I could not be prouder to be an American. This place, if you ever have any doubt about how fortunate we are to be Americans, this place will bring you back to reality. The World War II Memorial was at the end of the day, and I was so tired, but I walked up that hill, and when I got there and saw the monument to those soldiers at Iwo Jima, I had tears in my eyes. So cool to see, to walk across the Potomac River into the Washington Mall and see everything in between. We also went to Ben's Chili Bowl, which is a famous landmark downtown Washington. So we got a chance to see how the city works, people walking around, and it is different than any place I've ever been. I will see you next time on the trail.